वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज क्लास 10 का गुजरात बोर्ड इंग्लिश लेसन 1 अ लेटर टू गॉड, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम देख लेंगे। ठीक है, तो इसमें पेज नंबर 5 पे जो क्वेश्चंस है उसके हम आंसर्स देखेंगे। ठीक है, अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। ठीक है, तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम ये वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। What did Lancho hope for? इसका आंसर है Lancho hoped for rain as the only things that his field of ripe corn needed was a shower. Next, why did Lancho says the raindrops were like new coin? Lancho crops were ready for harvest as raindrops would have helped in getting a better harvest resulting in more properly, so Lancho compared them with new coins. How did the rain change? What happened to Lancho field? The rain was pouring down, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow and very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. All the crop in Lancho's field destroyed. Next question है, what were Lancho feeling when the hail stopped? After hail stopped, Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. He could see a black future for him and his family. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year. Page number 6 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, who or what did Lancho have faith in? What did he do? Lancho had faith in God. He believed that God's eyes see everything, even what is deep in one conscience. He wrote a letter God saying that he needed 100 pieces to sow his field again. Who read the letter? Postmaster read the letter. What did the postmaster do then? The postmaster first laughed, but then he became serious. He was deeply moved by the writer's faith in God. He did not want to shake this faith, so he decided to collect the money and send it to Lancho. पेज नंबर 7 पे क्वेश्चन है, वो देख लेते। Was Lancho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Lancho was not at all surprised to see the letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in God was such that he had expected that reply from God. Next question, what made him angry? When he finished country money, he found only 70 pieces, but he demanded 100 pieces. He was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him what he had requested. Therefore, he concluded that the post office employees must have taken the remaining 30 pieces. Thinking about the text. इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what does Lancho have complete faith in? Which sentences in the story tell you this? इसका आंसर है Lancho had complete faith in God. The sentences in the story that show this are as follow. First, but in the heat of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Next, through the night Lancho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Next, God. He wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. Next, he wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside and still troubled went to town. Next, God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lancho what he had requested. Next, I said, God of the money, that I ask for only 70 pieces, reach me, send me the rest, since I need it very much. Next question, why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? Why does he sign the letter God? Postmaster was moved by Lancho's complete faith in the gods, so he decided to send money to Lancho. Moreover, the postmaster did not want to shake Lancho's faith in God, so he signed the letter God. It was a good play to convey a message that God had himself written the letter. Next question, did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why not? Lancho does not try to find out who had sent the money to him. This is because he had great confidence in God and never suspected that it could be someone else other than God who would send him the money. His faith in God was so strong that he believed that God had sent him the money. Next, who does Lancho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? Lancho thinks that the post office people have taken the money. It is the post office people who send the money to Lancho, but on the other hand, Lancho thinks they have stolen his money. He calls them crook. Thus, there is an element of irony in this situation. Next, page number 8. Are there people like Lancho in the real world? What kind of a person would have say he is? You may select appropriate word from the box to answer the question. I don't think there can be any such people in the real world. Lancho is literate and yet he does not know how his letter will reach God without any address. He probably would be naive and unquestioning. Next question. There are two kinds of conflict in the story between human and nature and between human themselves. How are this conflict illustrated? The conflict between human and nature is shown by the destruction of Lancho's crop by the hailstorm. As the crop failed by hail, Lancho started feeling sad and gloomy. After the storm appropriately projects the conflict of the nature and man. The story also shown another conflict of the nature and the man. The story also shown another conflict between human themselves. The postmaster, along with the help of the other post office employees, sent Lancho the money that they could manage to collect. They were not related to Lancho in any manner. It was an act of kindness and selflessness on their part, even though they did a good deed. Lancho blamed them for taking away some amount of money. This shows that man does not have faith in his fellow humans, thereby giving rise to this conflict. Thinking about the languages. First, a violent tropical storm in which strong wind move in a circle, cyclone. An extremely strong wind, gale. A violent tropical storm with very strong wind, typhoon. A violent storm whose center is a cloud in the shape of the funnel, tornado. A violent storm with very strong wind, especially in the western Atlantic Ocean, hurricane. Next, a very strong wind then that moves very fast in a spinning movement and causes a lot of damage, whirlwind. Match the column. Will you get the subject you want to study in college? I hope so. इसका आंसर है wanting something to happen and thinking it quite possible. Next, I hope you don't mind my saying that, but I don't like the way you are arguing. Showing concern that what you say should not offend or disturb the other person, a way of being polite. This discovery will give new hope to HIV/AIDS sufferer, a feeling that something to happen, although this is very unluckily. We were hoping against hope that the judges would not notice our mistakes. Wishing for something to happen, although this is very unluckily. I called early in the hope of speaking to her before she went to school. Thinking that this would happen, it may or may not have happened. Next, 6. Just when everybody had given up hope, the fishermen come back 7 days after the cyclone. इसका आंसर है stop believing that this good thing would happen. Next, join the sentences given below using who, whom, whose, which as suggested. I often go to Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Which? I often go to Mumbai, which is the commercial capital of India. My mother is going to host TV show on cooking. She cooks very well. Who? My mother, who cooks very well, is going to host TV show on cooking. These sport persons are going to meet the president. Their performance has been excellent. Whose? These sport persons whose performance has been excellent are going to meet the president. Lancho prayed to God, his eyes see into our mind. Whose? इसका आंसर है Lancho prayed to God whose eyes see into our mind. Next, this man cheated me. I trusted him. Whom? This man whom I trusted cheated me. Page number 10. Find sentences in the story with the negative word which express the following idea emphatically. The tree lost all their leaves. Not a leaf remained on the tree. The letter was addressed to God himself. It was nothing less than a letter to God. The postman saw this address for the first time in his career. Answer है never in his career as a postman had he known that address. Page number 11. In pair, find metaphors from the story. To complete the table below, try to say what are being compared on has been done by what. Object, metaphor, quality or feature of compared. Cloud, huge mountains of cloud the mass or hugeness of mountain. Raindrops, a curtain of rain dropping or covering of an area by a curtain. Next, hailstone, the frozen peels, the resemblance in color, hardness of a pearl. Locust, a pluck of locust, the consequences, destruction of pluck. Locust, a pluck of locust, a epidemic disease that spread very rapidly and leaves many people dead. Man, an ox of a man, the working of an ox in the फील्ड हार्ड वर्क. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो में पूरा चैप्टर 10 का फर्स्ट लेसन का इंग्लिश का मैंने कवर कर दिया है. ठीक है, सारे के सारे टेक्स्ट बुक के क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स इसमें आ चुके हैं. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही वीडियो में लेके आऊंगी. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगता है तो कमेंट के द्वारा मुझे बता दीजिए. ठीक है, और भी ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे वीडियो देखने के लिए इस चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ठीक है, तो तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.